everyone. So this is day 2 of our honeymoon. I didn't really record day 1 for 2 reasons. One, I was trying to figure out how to use this camera, and secondly, yeah, we just want to kind of enjoy our day 1 without really vlogging. So yeah, day 2. You look nice. He's looking very handsome. But yeah, we're gonna try and get as much footage as we can. We just got our we just got dressed, so now we're off to our adventures. So this is our lobby area. This is the view.
Hello?
It's so nice and peaceful. So that's the pool area right there, and beyond it is the ocean. So beautiful. And this is our little lobby area where we checked in. Baby, say hey to the people.
What's up, people? Day 2.
Day 2. It's a whole bag.
No, it's 10
He's carrying my
it's
bag.
like,
Well, my second bag
this
is.
is paradise right
My other
there.
one. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Anyways, we're gonna go down to the pool area. See you guys later. So we came to an outside buffet, and this is what we're having. Babe, say hello to the people.
What's up, people? What's up, people? You see me? We are in,
Show them the ring. Show them the ring.
oh, so, you know, it's not just girls that get the diamonds. You know, just have to do that for your boys. So, I'm just here showing it off in Mexico. Gotten a lot of compliments, you know.
Yes, we are having a blast. I'm still trying to figure out how to use this camera. I'm probably gonna go on YouTube and see and try and figure out like how to use it, because we were struggling earlier today, and that's why we didn't really start our vlog off earlier. Plus we fell asleep. So anyways, we are out here. It is beautiful.
First night, we think we got a free show coming up, guys.
Yeah.
Keep in tune. Peek behind me. You see some costumes?
Exactly.
See what's
I
about
don't
to
know if you see
happen.
it, but I'll try and crop it in. Oh wow. It's a total vibe. I'm cold, y'all. So look, I got on a towel. I was freezing. We're sitting next to the beach, so the water from the beach is like making it really cold on this side of, like on this area. So that's why I'm wearing a towel. But this is super cool, and we're having so much fun. It's a blast. This is like paradise, and we really don't want it to end. We don't want it to end.
Don't
And
even
I
talk
also,
about that. It's day 1.
I know,
don't
right?
think about that, so.
That's true. That's true. And I also need to figure out how to use this little tripod thing, the vlogger's tripod. It's just a whole learning experience for me right now, so bear with me. But I will see you guys.
Out there, hit up, just did that. We need that help, but you know.
Yes, we do. But either way, we'll see you guys later. Alright, so I've been forgetting to vlog. I'm horrible at this, you guys. And then a part of me too, I don't really like having the camera out everywhere, because then it's like, you know, it's a little weird. I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to it yet. But walking back to our room, we were trying to book for ATVs tomorrow, but it's too late now, so we're gonna book it tomorrow morning. Anyways, right now it's like, let me see what time. No, it's like 8 something, so we're like 2 hours behind. Anyways, I'm headed back to the room to let George know what the guy said. But yeah, I was telling them before I got back to the room that we haven't been vlogging because we're not used to it. And plus, a part of me, I'm a little weird about bringing the camera out when everybody else is chilling. But there's this like pool workout thing that we did today. I was like, dang, I should have recorded, but I didn't know it was gonna happen.
But we got y'all tomorrow, because
we're doing it tomorrow. Yeah, we're doing it again tomorrow.
And we're gonna do some ATV stuff tomorrow too.
Yes, so that's what we're trying to book. And then we weren't able to book because it was too late. Again, I was saying it earlier. But ATV, what else did we want to do? Jet skiing. What
ATV, jet skiing.
You said everything I just said.
I know. Where's my phone? I screenshotted a
I don't
bunch of
know.
stuff.
There's a couple other. Oh, the boat, the dinner on the boat cruise or whatever. Yeah, there's a couple things we want to do. Oh, the party boat. They said it's like a must do because apparently it's like really fun. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna try and vlog as much of that as possible so that it's not so boring. But I'm gonna close out day one.
You wanna give them a view of the room real quick?
It's dirty right now. It's not that nice. But I'll show you what it's looking like. So this is our bathroom. It's like connected. Well, obviously it's connected to the room, but you can close it for privacy. And then you're a stalker. A mirror.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
Hey, what?
Another closet area. So this is like when you first walk in the door, and then you have the bathroom. Let me turn this around. So now you have the bathroom, and then here's George. So this is the bathtub with the jets, and then that's the shower. See, that's what I was talking about. You can close it up and then give it some privacy. And then this is a shower.
But it's a honeymoon, so ain't no need for no privacy.
You know what? Ain't no need for your inappropriate comments.
I'm just saying.
So yeah, then you walk in here. Is the room, a little living room space.
I can't open it.
And then this big mirror right here. I love this mirror. It's just dark right now, so not getting the full thing. And then our view at the balcony. So yeah, there's a pool right below us. And then there's another pool there. Then beyond is the ocean.
You can't. Wow, you can't. Is it me or you can't see the ocean right now?
You can't see the ocean right now.
That's beautiful.
It's dark. There's a few people still outside. It still feels pretty good. But that's what we're working with our rooms. So yeah. I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. There was a show we were supposed to go to, like a dance show or something like that, but we're not gonna make it because we just went to dinner at this French restaurant, and when I say I'm full, I'm so full, like I can't eat anymore. I'm that full. So I'm gonna call it a night. If he wants to go, he can. He's probably not gonna go without me though.
I can, baby. It's either you go with me or I'm with you right here. Bye, guys.